I am Christian Selmoni, Style and Heritage Director of Vacheron Constantin, and I have the great pleasure to have with me today Éléonor Piccioto, who is the founder of the Eye of Jewelry. And while it's a great day for us, since we have just released a new collection dedicated for ladies, Égérie, and tonight we will unbox the Égérie Moonface model.
The Égérie Moonface. It's an interesting choice to have such a small case and dial at the same time. Is it the 35 or 37, I'm guessing?
Yeah, it's not such a small case. I would say it's 37. It's quite a large case. Since the very beginning, we wanted this line to be exclusively dedicated to ladies. In terms of technicality, design, finishing, materials, everything was made with the same quest for perfection that we are looking for when we develop gentlemen's collections.
So we have here pink gold with leaf hands, which makes the piece actually very feminine in a various way. For starters, I'm guessing we have roughly 1 carat of diamonds around the bezel.
You are the expert, you're right.
Topped with a moonstone cabochon as a crown. And I don't know if you're aware of that, but the power of a moonstone balances the energy in the first place. It marks a new beginning. So for you, launching the Égérie with a moonstone makes it interesting. I can see in the center the pleated motif.
Yes.
It's the first time that you are using this, if I'm not mistaken.
Absolutely, you're right.
And am I also right to say that it reminds of the pleated of the haute couture dresses or gowns that we see in the fashion industry?
Yes, exactly. This is what we wanted to showcase. So this connection that we can make between high watchmaking and haute couture.
On the exterior of the dial, there's some sort of tapestry.
We have been recreating this pleated motif by using a craftsman, let's say, a technique, the tapestry, which is something that we are working on in the métier d'art department. So this is all about fine craftsmanship.
It comes with 2 additional straps, one in pink,
yeah,
and one in grey.
The system which allows us to change the bracelet quickly is a fantastic advantage. So this combination of very refined tapestry, this motif which is very beautiful coming from haute couture, and I really love the offset indication, which is really one of the signatures of the model.